I'm Justin. This video is brought to you by Noise Development. If you've noticed that your garage door is getting a bit loud, if you've noticed that maybe, excuse me a second. Hey, come on, we're trying to shoot a video here. What are you doing? Shh. Wise guy. Anyway. To get your door to quiet down, recommend some silicone spray and hit all of the hinges and wheels. You have a spring at the top. Give that a good coat as well. Maybe get a little bit raining down on you. It's always fun. And that should get the door to quiet down nicely. Oh, actually that sounds better. Pretty good.